Do you have to do refinement? No. You might work in an environment where each unit of work, each product backlog item is immediately actionable. Everything is clear. Is this likely? I've never seen it. I always need to clarify and align our understanding. That's why I think about refinement pretty much as a mandatory exercise. How do you break down, refine your product backlog items? It's all about vertical slicing. Slice the cake. If you want to have a small slice of a cake, you want a taste of all the layers, not just the cherry on top. Now, why this is called vertical slicing and why this is important? Because the increment of the sprint needs to be releasable. That means you need to have a thin slice through your complete technology stack. Remember, if you do not have a working product increment at the end of the sprint, you're probably not doing Scrum. How do you slice vertical? Here are some ideas. Are you looking at a workflow? Can you make a really simple version of that workflow, as described in the hamburger technique pioneered by Achik Geico? Use a text file, maybe instead of a database. Are there different rules in play? Could you implement the basic rule first and then later, once proven right, the more complicated ones? Are you looking at different operations? Instead of a full-blown account management solution, how about creating the account first and maybe password reset later? Are you processing different sets of input data? Instead of doing all, could you choose the one you can do within a sprint and from which you can learn the most first? Are you serving different users? Could you choose one user first? The beauty of this approach is that it allows to learn quickly about what works for the users and what doesn't. As you have feedback earlier, it also helps to emerge a solid fit for purpose architecture.